Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, how are you? Additionally, the daily average number of SHIB tokens burned and sent to the dead wallet is around 150 million. In fact, the current burn rate is around 250%. What do the price charts say? Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. Taking a look at SHIB price movement over a 6-hour period, the resistance level was found to be around 1224 while the support was around 1033. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, flashed a fairly bullish trend with the RSI angling north a bit from the neutral line. The Directional Movement Indicator, DMI, also seemed to be showing the signal and plus D line above 20 bullish move. The 6-hour timeframe highlighted an upward trend in terms of price action between the 22nd to the 24th of September. Looking at the RSI on the 24-hour time frame, the overall trend was still bearish, albeit a weakening one. The DMI on the same timeframe revealed the signal line and the plus D resting barely over 20, also indicating a waning bearish trend and the possible start of a bullish one. The volume indicator underlined decent trade activities with buyers taking a larger percentage of the trade volume. If the buying pressure persists, we might see SHIB break its press time resistance. Once it breaks the same and is able to form new support, a further upward trend is to be expected. We could see it test the 1400 region. Over 30% of SHIB investors have been holding it for over a year, according to Into the Block metrics. In fact, 67% have also been holding it for 1 to 12 months. Furthermore, more than 4.5 trillion SHIB tokens have been transferred by the largest whales on Ethereum in the last 3 days. Despite such impressive narratives, could SHIB face yet another resistance wall? Let's wait and watch. Shiba Inu's Bone becomes most used smart contract amongst Ethereum whales. One of Shiba Inu ecosystem tokens, Bone, is currently trending among Ethereum whales who are using it for smart contracts. According to data from Whale Stats, Bone is the most used smart contract among the top 1,000 Ethereum whales. The new interest can be linked to the sudden rise of the token's value over the past week. Bone is one of the 3 major tokens in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The token has a total supply of 250 million and serves as the governance token for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. However, only 230 million of the tokens will be circulated because the Shiba Inu community voted to cap bone farming at 230 million minted tokens. This decision was to keep the remaining 20 million for Shibarium validators. Community interest shoots Bone value up. The token is currently trading for $1.47 after rising by about 20% in the past week. This is likely due to its recent listing on several exchanges, such as MEXC Exchange, Bluebit, FCF Pay, and Switcher. DexTools also listed the token, which is currently trending as the #1 cryptocurrency on the platform as it trades against the wrapped Ethereum. It is likely that other platforms will also list it with time as interest in it continues to grow. Shiba Inu buyers may want to consider this before taking a long position after breaking out of its falling wedge in early September. Shiba Inu's bull run saw an expected reversal from the $0.0134 minus $0.0138 resistance range. For brevity, SHIB prices are multiplied by 1,000 from here on. Consequently, the sellers re-entered the market to propel a pull towards the lower band of the Bollinger Bands, BB, in a reversal pattern. Going forward, a plausible U-turn from the confluence of resistances near the basis line, green, of the BB can hinder the recently found buying pressure. At press time, SHIB was trading at $0.01133. Post inflicting a concrete bullish volatile break in mid-August, SHIB sellers pulled the altcoin towards its sideways track in the $0.01217 minus $0.0134 range. After oscillating in this range for nearly a month, the selling pressure kept mounting on its baseline support. The resultant decline shaped into a down channel, yellow, that pulled SHIB below its 20/50ths EMA alongside the basis line to paint a bearish picture. However, the recent down channel breakout tested the 50 EMA, cyan, and the $0.01217 resistance, previous support. Also, A bearish hammer candlestick reaffirmed the selling intentions to constrict the buying power in the $0.0115 - $0.012 range. With the near-term EMAs still looking south, sellers would look to sustain their momentum in the coming sessions. The decline below the immediate resistance can propel a retracement toward the $0.0104 - $0.0108 range. Any jump above the $0.01217 level would confirm the invalidation of the press-time bearish bias. In these circumstances, buyers would look to test the upper band of the BB. The bears were quick to undermine the bullish pressure and pull the Relative Strength Index, RSI, back into the bearish zone. A sustained sway below the midline would keep aiding the selling efforts in the coming times. To top it up, the Chaikin money flows, CMF, and accumulation distributions, 8D, lower peaks over the last few days bearishly diverged with the price action. These readings resonated with the broader bearish outlook. Conclusion: given the bearish hammer candlestick from the 2050's EMA and the basis line resistances, SHIB could see a near-term setback before picking itself up. Any breach above $0.01217 could confirm a bearish invalidation. In either case, the targets would remain the same as discussed. Finally, the altcoin shares a 73% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin. Hence, keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement with overall market sentiment would be essential in identifying any bullish invalidations. Shiba Inu's BONE gains solid traction among Ethereum whales. Details: BONE, which is one of the 3 tokens in the Shiba Inu ecosystem and is actively used in transactions on Shiba Swap, has caught the interest of major Ethereum holders. As reported by Whale Stats, in the past 24 hours, BONE has become one of the most used smart tokens among the top 1,000 ETH whales. Previously, only SHIB, the main and most hyped cryptocurrency in the Shiba Inu family, had such success, and BONE was of no interest to whales. Nevertheless, it seems that the token's rise of nearly 20% since the week's opening in the current crypto winter has not gone unnoticed by major investors. The growth of buying activity and liquidity inflow to BONE was facilitated by the recent wave of listings, when the token was included in the quotation lists of many major crypto exchanges. Worth pointing out, however, that SHIB has been seeing some growth on other fronts too, not just on the price front. The number of addresses, for instance, has been on a steady hike over the long and short term. Between 19 and the 24th of September, over 3,000 new addresses that hold assets were registered on the network. Over 35,000 new holders have been added to the network in the space of 3 months. This, despite SHIB not noting a strong price performance over that period. The total number of addresses stood at 1.2 million at press time. This represented a hike of 3% from its figures for total number of addresses in June. According to Shibburn, out of the 1 quadrillion Shiba Inu tokens issued on launch day, approximately 41% of the circulating supply has already been destroyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.